Hey guys, this music is copyright. Music is copyright. Music is copyright. Music is copyright. Alright guys, so welcome back to this game. Okay guys, I'm gonna be using the B-roll, so I'm gonna pause this real quick. Let me pause the video real quick because I have to use the bathroom. Be right back. Alright, I'm back guys. Alright, I'm back from taking a poo. Alright. Alright, I'm drinking a drink. Yay, math. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh, thank you. Can you? Okay. And remember this answer. Enter. And then you get mad. Alright, let's start. There. Alright. Let's not worry about Baldy. Let's worry about myself not getting killed by him. Here's every door I open. Did I really mess up? I messed up again! Am I bad at this now? No! Please! Baldy, have mercy! Have mercy! Have mercy! Oh, it's all about the freaking girl's fault. Alright, I can try again. Bye. How did I know? I don't know. Alright. -4, and then what the heck? No, we never know this answer. Let me think. Okay. Oh, I know. I guess I got it wrong. Man, I thought I was good at math. That's the easiest math in the world. How did I get that wrong? Alright, let's go. But jeez, you went pretty fast. You went blazing fast, like. Please stay back. Please stay back. No. No, 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 no. Just like my part 1, I said I was about to run. I'm not gonna, not right now. Is this the, oh, it doesn't make a weird noise now. Stay back. Stay back. Alright, 7 minus 4. 3, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Boom. Alright. 3 notebooks. Alright. Gotta make sure Baldies get erased. And I have no time. I don't. I feel like I have time to go in there, but at the same time, I feel like I don't. So I'm not gonna go in there. Yep. Yeah. I don't think I had time. I don't think I have time. Okay, I'm gonna run. Disables his hearing. Come on. No, it doesn't. Okay. Never mind. I thought it would help me. Lesson learned. Baldi this doesn't like that, but okay, run. Okay, stop on the table. Right. Okay. Alright. I feel like it's gonna be right off the corner. Gonna pop out more and just be like, boo! Ah! Scare me or something. Alright. What the? Hey! Jukes! Run! Oh my god! I got scared so bad that I spilled everything everywhere. I'm back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Dude, there was like a big mess. Guys, I accidentally spilled my Sprite, my drink, when I got scared by Baldy. Thanks a lot, Baldy. Baldy. You made me spill all my drink. You made me spill my Sprite. Now it's like awesome. Like I cleaned it up though. At least my friend is gonna get mad at me. My friend gave me this soda. 8, 9, 10. -6. Alright. Don't ever do that to her again. I had to get new clothes and everything. Oh my gosh. Give me that quarter. I don't even care. If I do the math. Now I don't even have my Sprite anymore. 6, 7, 8. Now you made me mad now. You made me mad. You made me mad. You made me mad, buddy. I don't like it when I'm mad. You don't know that when I'm mad. You know how I threaten. No, not right now. Just do it. Just do it. When will you just know? Your parents will know that you let a teacher kill a kid. But you can do it in the detention room? No, that's not cool. What? No. Get scared. Ugh! At least I didn't spill my Sprite. Cause I had to poison. I had to like, uh, bye. -7 and oh, alright. 5, 4, 3, 2. 2. Don't say that. 5, 4, 3. I'm mad at you, Baldy, right now. 7, 8, 9. I have fun with you now. I have 5 minutes left for my video. I have 5 minutes left, so I'm gonna say oh hey to you and say ha. Not running. I was running for a second. Though. Please, no. No. Baldy. You don't understand. Principal, you don't understand. Why is there a rule of no jump roping in the halls? Why is there no rule of that? You can't jump rope in the halls. You're not even allowed to. Why can't there be a rule like that? Who are you? Who are you? I gotta say goodbye, guys. I hate this game.